Hello, this is Jason Dragon from Emerald Computers. How are you guys doing? Anyway, we're here to show you a little bit about our Ethereum mining rig. This is our Ethereum mining rig. It costs $1,250 for the base model. These are a little bit upgraded, and some people are interested in getting to know a little bit about these. So we use a high quality ATX case. It has a completely grilled open front, so it can have a lot of air circulation with a fan right here in the front sucking air in. So let me go over here and I'll show you the back. All of our computers have a name on it, which was what the name of the mining rig right now. And it also comes with a really nice motherboard. And this particular computer has two 1060 video cards. So let me take a second right here. I'm going to move this monitor out of the way a little. And I've already taken the screws out of this computer so I can open it and show you how it works. So this one right here is one of the 1250 ones. It has our Gigabyte WindForce video card in there with 6 gigs of RAM, of course. It has a nice 450 watt power supply, which is ample power. This entire machine uses only about 230 watts of electricity while at full mining speed. We have a 160 gig hard drive down there. And this particular machine has a dual core AMD processor. I believe it's an A4 7400, and it has 4 gigs of RAM. There are additional 2 fans right here blowing air in directly on the video cards. And then there is a fan right here blowing air out. So after it gets video cards, and there's another fan here on the top. When we go ahead and put the 1070 cards in, we will go ahead and add the second card on top. All of the computers that we sell are turnkey computers, which means they're 100% ready to go. All of the software is ready to go with everything that you could possibly want for mining. So let me turn on this monitor here. This monitor is connected over to that computer over here, which is black number 2. So as you can tell, this computer is mining at 46 megahash. It is overclocked, 91 on the clock core and 553 on the GPU core. This particular one could be overclocked more. We do not do aggressive overclocks on ones that we're planning on reselling because we're going to let that up to the customer to do it. So we currently have 5 of these systems ready to go. We actually built them for a guy, and he ended up changing his mind because he's going to invest in a real estate project instead. So they just were built last week. They're ready to go. Super awesome. We did use different video cards in each one. We also have these kind up here. These are our silver machines. And this is a little basic machine with 2 1050 video cards in it. It's a relatively inexpensive machine that gets 30 megahash. So we enjoy that. Also, you can see our giant warehouse. Over there we have 2 more of the machines. The 2 that you see on the left there, those are 2 more of the same group here. And then we have some of the ones in our server farm over here. We have a lot more at the other building and a lot more upstairs in this building also. But these are the ones that we just have here for sale. So as you can tell, we use a really nice high quality motherboard. This is the motherboard from Gigabyte. So this is the $1,250 system. Let me open the one that's over here. So these come with thumb screws, so they're really easy to remove. And we'll open this one here. So this one, as you can tell, is a much bigger video card than this one. Because of that, it has a little bit better cooling. We also, this particular one, this particular client was actually going to be using these for his employees. So this particular one has a high-end quad-core processor. You could tell because of the red fan. It is a much larger fan than the standard one that we that comes with it. So other than that, it is the identical machine. So the difference between the one with here that would be $1,250 and the video cards here, they cost an extra $30 per card versus the other one. and that processor is an extra $15. So all in all, this particular computer would be $75 more expensive than the one that you see right here. And of course, if you buy a whole bunch in bulk, we're going to give you a discount, which might bring it down relatively close to where it was. As you can tell, that these ones here are open, so you can hear the noise is a little bit much from them. But these ones here, when they're closed, they're almost silent. So that's a really good thing for an office environment. Having the case closed actually makes them run cooler than when they're open, because the fans are directly